Ironically, we're using credit responsibly, getting a lot of free
Yes.
groceries. You'll never hear that on his show.
No, because he tells you don't have credit cards. Mhm.
Alcohol might be bad too. Don't have
Uh,
that. Moderation is
Probably.
impossible. In my area, I have Aldi that has the Instacart pickup, but Aldi has a limited supply. For instance, Aldi doesn't have almond milk. So I've been using Instacart through Giant PA and getting that as a delivery. I pick the next day delivery to save $2. For some reason, Giant doesn't offer a pickup near me. What have you seen for the delivery?
The nice thing about the Chase credits is that they also offer Instacart Plus that reduces the delivery cost, gets rid of the fee, or lowers it, depends. There are various advantages to having Instacart Plus. You just have to hunt a little bit to find where you can pick up. And as long as it's relatively convenient, you are saving, the delivery fee might be $3.99. You add a little bit in tip, that eats into your $20. Wegmans is a pickup option. Wegmans, you can order as little or as much as you want. Then Giant also has pickup now by me. I think just one of the two that's in my area
That's
had
Scranton and Dixon City.
Scranton had it, at least when I ordered Instacart, when I had Chase Sapphire offered its credits last year and the year before. So I used it one time at Giant for pickup. You do have to make sure when you're in the app or when you're looking at Instacart on your laptop that you click on the pickup option, and then you should see appearing in front of you. And then you have to further investigate and find out if there are any requirements on the pickup, as there are with Aldi, that you have at least $35 in groceries.
Okay, so try to maximize so that the credit is worth more so you don't have to spend as much out of pocket.
That's my goal. I'm fortunate that the Wegmans by us offers pickup, and I'm only spending one cent right on those groceries.
Oh,
So it's a great deal.
a penny for listeners' thoughts.
Yes, there you go.
And
Mhm.
there's some other stacking, and sometimes there are Chase offers. I saw on an IHG card of mine that there was a DoorDash offer on there. So it gave me cashback stacking with that. Have you seen that happen on your
Absolutely.
cards?
Yeah, it doesn't always work because for the Instacart, for example, and the DoorDash credits, it takes the $10 or $20 off the total. And so what you're paying then, the remaining amount, whether it's a penny or $3 or $5 or 15, right? That you can get certain, say, percent off if you have a Chase offer. Never hurts, right? To get additional 10% off, whatever amount over, right? You go over the credits. Fun to save.
And I imagine some will make larger orders. Those that don't want to
Sure.
spend a long time in a grocery store. I think there could be a case where someone's at home just laying down and they're deciding to place the order on their phone. So maybe they could do the order from home, pick it up, and save the time there.